Volcanoes. What is a volcano? A volcano is any opening in the Earth's crust through which molten rock, also known as magma, gases, and rock fragments erupt or are thrown out. Most volcanoes are found close to the Earth's plates. Magma is molten rock inside of a volcano. Lava is molten rock outside of a volcano. That is the difference. Volcanoes can be constructive and destructive. Volcanoes as constructive process. Volcanoes create new land when lava that is erupting from the volcanoes cools. Lava is magma that has erupted onto the surface of the earth. Volcanic islands are created this way. A volcanic island is an island created by an underwater volcano. Here's the volcanic island Surtsey, being created in 1963. Surtsey today. Volcanoes as a destructive process. Landslides can be caused by volcanoes. These landslides, along with the volcanic ash, can destroy the land around it. Mount St. Helens in 1980 before the volcanic eruption. See how beautiful it is? Mount St. Helens after the volcano erupted. Here is the lava creating land but also destroying land at the same time. Volcanoes also are destructive processes because they damage man-made features. You can see where the lava has cooled off here, and you can see the volcano in the background, and it has destroyed everything as it flowed. Last but not least, have a nice day.